So by the time you're watching this, I won't be here. That was a pretty good hook. And now that I got your attention, seriously, by the time you're watching this, I won't be here. By the time you're watching this, when this video is posted, I'm in Italy. I'm across the world, no longer in Montreal, Canada. I'll be in Europe. And the reason why I want to make this video was because obviously the upcoming videos after this one will be me in Italy. And I'm very excited for that. The reason why I'm going to Italy, it's with a family trip. We have a special event. Hopefully my family doesn't watch my videos. This would be a huge disaster. But spoiler alert, like, you know, we're going there because of like a little surprise, you know, like a little. You're probably like, what the fuck is this guy talking about? A little family. Like, I'm going with my family, my sister and her boyfriend, you know, boyfriend for like 6 years or like 20. No, they've been dating for like 8 years. They're like 29, 28, you know, so like. I think you're getting the point now, you know, like. Anyways, I'm pretty sure I gave it away. Hopefully they don't watch this video. I don't think so. I don't think she does. If she does, we're cooked. But that's the reason why I'm going there. It's a family trip. We're going to be going there for around 10 to 12 days, which will be fun. But I want to make this video because in the next half a year, I have 3 big trips, including this one. And so for a lot of people, that's like, whoa, 3 trips in like half a year, that's a lot, right? And they're not easy, and they're not like little trips. Like, they're like Italy, Hawaii, Bali, you know? And these are like big trips, especially maybe the Bali one. Like, that's going to be a long stay, right? And I want to bring up, because it's probably a very controversial topic, I want to bring my opinion out there and the reason why I do it. Because I've had a lot of people on the internet and even in real life like tell me, Julian, like, why are you traveling so much? Why travel so much? You didn't make it yet. You didn't make money yet. You're struggling to make a lot of money. Like, you expect yourself to be making a lot of money. You're not there yet. Why are you traveling? Just lock up, grind, and focus. And to a certain degree, I agree. But there's also a but. The but is always the decision maker. And the reason why I travel a lot is because, let me tell you something. I'm actually living a very different life compared to a lot of you out there, or a lot of people my age in general. I'm lucky to do this because I have a family that now supports what I do and supports me, you know, puts a shelter over my head, makes me eat. But basically, I don't go to school. My job is very lucrative. My part-time job. I'm basically I'm basically free. And at 21 years old, to have such freedom, like, take out money out the equation, to have that freedom is a blessing. And it truly is. And I'm so grateful for it every day. Well, now with this freedom, I do not want to take it for granted. All right? That 100%. But I also want to take advantage of it. Because a lot of people would not be able to do what I do. But because I could, I want to take advantage of it. Because there are benefits that a lot of people may not agree with, or there's benefits that you may not even see. But the way I see it is, yes, this money could have been spent on business. I get it. That's like one of the main arguments I usually get. And look, if you're really, really, really low on money, like living paycheck to paycheck, and you can't afford it, then yeah, it makes sense. But like, again, I'm not ridiculously stupid. I may take some risks for a lot of people that may be stupid, but I'm not ridiculously stupid. Like, I'm not in debt traveling, right? The finances, I know I can manage. So, realistically, when I first started this journey, this is the life I wanted to live. Because now I'm taking money out the equation. Because to a certain degree, I always had in my head that money is money. I never really wanted to make, like, I never really cared about money. And let me explain. When I first got the desire to get rich, let's say, it wasn't because I saw someone and I said, oh shit, they have a lot of money. I saw people's lifestyle. I saw their lifestyle. And I wanted the lifestyle. And then I took the logical equation of, okay, I want this lifestyle, but therefore, in order to get that lifestyle, I need money. But it's not money that I'm achieving. It's the lifestyle. I believe if you chase money, it's going to run away from you. So for me, I always looked for that lifestyle. And to a certain degree, I'm living that lifestyle. Now, I'm allowed to. I could. So why not start indulging? Why not start living the life that I want to live? Even if money's out the equation right now. Because I know, because it's like, some people will call me crazy, but it's because I'm so confident that I know money's going to come to me. Like, I know it. There's no doubt in my fucking mind. So for me to be a bit frugal and say like, oh, well, this trip has been brought up to me, and it's a decent price. I can go for a decent price and have a very good trip, and expand my mind to working on ecom and traveling at the same time. Because that was the goal, the lifestyle, run a business while traveling the world. Why not, if I'm capable of it, why not start indulging? Why not start, instead of just manifesting it in my brain, why not start living it? Why not just start putting it into fucking reality? It's doable. It's possible. I could do it. So the question to people that ask me, why are you traveling so much? The question is, why not? What do I have to lose? Money? Money will come to me. Money is like water, and it will flow to me. Flow in and flow out. Money is not a question to me. So take out money out the equation. Why not? Why not live? Now, obviously, again, I will not be retarded and go to some expensive like mansion to live, rent like the most expensive supercars like fucking Lambos or fucking Rolls Royces, I don't know, and live the luxurious life. No. But just the idea of traveling, being independent. This trip I'm going with my family, but after that, it's either alone or with my friends. Being independent, working on my business, focusing on the business while traveling, trying to manage both, trying to live the life of both. Because that's the goal. So for me, I've achieved my goal. I'm working on my business and traveling. Disregard the results. Because the results will come. Like, I can't explain like how my mind is viewed on this, but it's like the results will come. I don't doubt it for even a millisecond. But the goal for me was to be free. The goal for me was to travel and work on a business, something that I'm passionate about. And I could do it. It's right here. It's the opportunity. God has given it to me. Why not take it? Why be scared? Because if I was given this opportunity to travel to these trips, but I said like, not that I don't have the money. I do have the money, but I'm scared. Fear is a sin. You don't trust in the process. I'm really bringing this to an extreme, but there's two different scenarios. If you can't afford it, you can't afford it. Period. That's it. You can't go. That's it. But if you could afford it, maybe it's going to be a really heavy expense, but if you could afford it, I genuinely believe, depending on the person, that it will benefit you more than the money it will cost you. To the idea of traveling with your friends, your boys, who, for me in real life, and I've spoken about this, not a lot of people have this, but me and my boys, we're on the same page. We have the same visions, we have the same goals. So to travel with likely-minded men, to experience the world while working on building and working on your business, I don't think any money is worth that. And that's the way I see it. I could be wrong. But you see, the thing is, because I see it like that, it will benefit me like that. If you don't see it like that, if you force yourself to go, but you're scared about the money and you view this as just like a waste of time, and you're not in your home basement locked in, and it's bad, it will be a bad trip for you. It will not benefit you. Because I perceive this trip to benefit me in that way, it will. That's how reality works. The way you perceive it, the way it will come out. And because I'm so strong on my opinion that this will completely change my life, completely change the man who I am today, speaking to you right now, it will have that exact effect. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know. Anyways, go check out these videos. Mindset course, G course that I made. It's free. No, it's not a course. It's just like a little playlist I put up. My first sale. Wow. And I got my first sale after a trip. Lucky enough. And then my lessons on my 25K month. Good video. After you watch those, I'll see you at the top.